Hi, today I'm ready with ZTE Axon 25G and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the empty space with our finger on the home screen, and then we'll see here the add widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all of the applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's add the schedule. Just click once on the widget and now it's automatically added to your home screen. To resize it, hold it just for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to move the widget on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it, and to remove it from the home screen, hold and tap to delete. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.